Hello, hello mga ate at kuya. Hello, Jacob.
Hello.
Dalawa kami nakakasama sa bike ni Kuya Jacob. Tinakasan namin yung mga kasama namin sa bahay. Actually, hindi namin tinakasan. Hindi nila alam na aalis kami. No, it didn't. The lock is here. At na ba? Umalis si Daddy, sinundo si Kuya Adam sa work, kasama si Abram at saka si Aaron. Tapos, hindi to sumama si Jacob sa kanila. Naiwan kaming dalawa. Tapos sabi ko kay Jacob, gusto mo ano tayo? Mag-bike tayo, tapos mag-Tim Hortons tayo, inggitin natin sila. Total, iniwan nila tayo eh. O, tayong dalawa lang. Tapos maya tatawagan ko sila na nasa Tim Hortons kami. O, bubuisit yun si Aaron at saka si Jake. Ano ba yan? Tumatama sa mukha ko naman, Jacob.
No, it's the trees. They're growing a lot.
Tumatama naman sa mukha ko. Grabe. Ganda ng araw, oh. Pero nakasweater ako. Lamigin ako sa hangin. Kasi kahit maganda ang araw. Bakit dito tayo? Why here?
There is the way to Tim Hortons. So.
It's over there. Okay, go. It's okay. Ay, pilat. Galing na mag-bike ni Kuya Jacob. Bilis na. They're at Superstore right now.
I'm gonna try to max it out at like 20 so we won't crash.
20? No, scary.
No, 20 is just slow.
Is it slow? Are you sure? We're here outside the Superstore. And mang-aasar lang kami. Andito pa raw sila sa Superstore. Mang-aasar lang kami ng mga batang iiyak. Kasi sabi ko, magti-Tim Hortons kami. Let's see. Stay here, Jacob. Stay there. Stay there, ha? Wait for me. Ha? Nye, 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 nye. Nya, may maiinggit na isa. Nye, 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 nye. What? What?
Stop!
What? Ha?
Got M&M's.
You got M&M's? Okay. Because we're going to Tim Hortons right now. Just the two of us. Because you left us.
Yeah, I know.
You left us. So, we decided we're going to Tim Hortons, just the two of us. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, go now. What? What? You wanna join us?
I just want to
You wanna join us? What?
Let's go. Let's go.
Ha? Hoy, ano ka? Ano ka? Ha? What? No. Okay, let's go, Jacob. We will go with us. They will go with us. They're jealous. Abram is really pissed off because he wants. No, don't go down. Go forward. He's really pissed because he wants to go biking and scootering. Go. Yeah, right. Ano ba?
I made a failed turn.
He wants to go scootering and he's mad that he wants to go home now and get the scooter. He's getting mad at Daddy. Let's go home and get the scooter. Go forward. Is there a way here? Okay, just left. Galit si Abram. Inauwi yun na si Daddy niya kasi para kunin na yung scooter. Tapos po pag mag-scooter siya papunta dito, magwawala yun kasi sabi ni Daddy, susunod sila sa amin. Just go. Susunod sila sa amin dito sa Tim Hortons. Matatagalan. Magagalit siya. So, where are we going to park?
Same place last time.
Just wait for them. Good job! Ang galing mo! You're good at biking. Ang galing nito. Ang kasangkas niya pa ako. Marunong pa sumunod sa mga traffic rules. Let's wait for Daddy. And your brothers. I think Daddy is mad. Because Abram is crying. You think so? Yung mukha ni Aaron, no? Hey! Why are you here? You go home. Go home. You left us. Remember? You go. Eh, bakit isa ay bumaba? Why?
I want to go scootering.
Oh, very good. Go scooter.
Jacob, why did you stay in the bathroom?
Because he's planning to do it with me. That's why. He said, let's go bike mom without them.
Oh, you lock it? Okay. Are you crying when we left you?
No.
I know you're crying.
I'm just thinking of something. Like, I forgot.
What is it?
I already said I forgot, but
Ah, we're waiting for you in the car.
yeah, but you said you're not gonna buy everything though. Because you know you're gonna pick up Toyota.
Mustache already. Oh no. Oh,
Starting to grow mustache.
binata ka na talaga. Yeah, yung mustache na oh. Wala, binata na. Binata na. Oh,
How about me?
you got booger. Booger.
How about me?
Wala pa. Booger yung meron ka. Ayan oh. Meron ka dito oh, yung mga ano-ano.
Can I see me?
Bilisan nyo na. Naiinip na si Abram. Galit na yun. Ay, sumama dito eh. Nakasuot na ng helmet tong isa os. Siya daw ang aangka sa akin. Sa akin siya aangka sa akin. Si Jacob sasakay ng sasakyan. And Abram is still crying because he wants to go scooter and go back here. Kuya, put it there. Wag mong inumin yan. Akin yan, ha? Don't finish it, ha? Don't finish it, ha?
Daddy, just sit here.
Why?
Let that sit on that one.
Okay, he's gonna go home na. You're gonna go home na.
Let's go scootering.
Oh.
Yes, scooter.
No. You're gonna go in the car.
Let's go.
Alakas sa mga asal ang mata. Alakas ang inis kay Abram, ha? Inaasan siya eh.
Aaron's gonna go with mommy in the street.
Bye! Bye guys! Bye Abram! Bye-bye! Munguha pa ng balon oh. Munguha pa siya. Hindi mo makukuha yan.
They're tied together.
Hindi ka to...
Tied together.
Sa McDonald's kasi pwedeng kumuha ng balon eh.
I don't know.
Bye Abram! Iinis si Abram eh. Bye Abram! Loser daw. Ay, don't say that. Don't say that. Hey. Bye. In our old old alphabet, we have no letter C, F, V, and Z. We have no Z. We only have A, Ba, Ka, Da. See? We pronounce Aaron, di ba? I call you Aaron. Your classmates are calling you Aaron because you're not A. We pronounce your name as Aaron because A pronounced as A. That's why you're Aaron because that's a Filipino word. That's not an English word. That English name. Your name is Filipino because it's Aaron. So don't let them call you Aaron, okay? You're not Aaron. You're Filipino. You're Aaron. Okay? A, ba, ka, da, e, ga, ha, ila. Ma, na, nga, o, para sa tauwaya. See? We have no, that's the old one. But we change it. Ano, paano nga ba kasi ng Tagalog na na alphabet? Tagalog, paano kaya yun? Wala nang Tagalog alphabet pa? Ang ate at kuya, paano? Paano, kasi bago na ngayon ng Tagalog alphabet eh, no? Paano yun? Paano na-include yung yung C? Eh, abakada pa rin naman, di ba? Or hindi na yon, wala nang Tagalog. A, B, C, D, E na talaga. Natakot ako?
Bakit?
Bukas to, wala siya dito si Abram. Oh, ayun, pumasok na siya. Akala ko,
Ay, okay.
akala ko naiwan namin ng bukas tapos wala pa kayo. Cookie! Cookie, hello! How are you? Get inside now. Get inside. Natakot ako, akala ko naiwan ko ng bukas. Go, 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 go.
Nakita sa Ibra?
Hindi ko nakita, wala siya rito. Si Aaron nga, takot na takot. You're dead, mom. Sabi sa akin, you're dead.
Okay ka man.
Get inside, get inside. Asan yung isa? Oh, yan, dead na. Oh.
Papasok ka naman.
Get inside. Kabado malala ako mga ate at kuya kasi one time, naiwan ni Adam bukas to. Nag-running si Kuya Adam. Tapos, galing sa work si Daddy, nadatnan niya na nakabukas to. Itong, garage. Galit na galit si Daddy. Tapos ako pinagbibintangan. Ako daw lagi makakalimutin. Kaya pagdating namin na nakabukas to, kinabahan ako baka naiwan kong nakabukas kanina nung umalis kami ni Jacob. Tapos baka mamaya doon nagparada si Daddy sa tapat. Yung pala andito si Abram ng scooter na. Abram!
Try this.
Oo, sige. Pag ikaw, if you...
Mommy almost crashed into me.
Ayan, sige. Kita mo?
Sige.
Sige ka dyan. No speeding.
Again.
Tigas ang ulo mo.
Matthew, Jacob, Lulusa.
Oh. You're speeding.
Oh yeah, Mom.
Oh,
He
sumbongero.
laughed at me too.
Ha?
He said, "Pop you."
You laugh at you?
Yeah.
He laugh at you? Ah? Talagang to eh. Sumbongero to eh. Where are you? Where have you been? I thought you were playing gadget again. Pinayagan mo ba? Ay, kinukulit ako oh. Tigas, ang kulit niyan.
Wait, Ibra.
Oh, wait for daddy daw. Hindi ka pwedeng umalis. Kulit-kulit itong batang to.
He's speeding at the corner.
Yan, kaya nga eh.
He doesn't know what to play.
This, there only.
I was on the right side the correct way, and Abram was on his left side. So he almost crashed with me. He's not a good driver. I was a witness too, though.
Sige lang kayong sumbong kay
I was
Abram.
a witness.
Oh, you're the witness. Okay, let's go. Abram, come here. Talaga ang dami niyang kalaban, oh. Ito pagka itong...
Abram, slow down in the corner.
Hmm.
It's on the left side too.
Always remind him. Always remind him, Jacob. Stay at the right side and slow down at the corner.
Abram,
Hey, listen to me. Always stay at the right side and slow down. Slow down at the corner. So, tingnan mo, oh, parang walang naririnig, oh.
Hey, Mom, he didn't slow in that corner, and he went on this
Come back
side.
here. Come back here. Come back. Come back. Come back. I'll get that one. You're not gonna use that anymore if you don't listen. Come here.
What?
Stay at the right side. Right. Don't go to the left side. Right and slow down at the corner. Slow down. If you don't listen, Aaron, Jacob, always remind him. Without teasing him. Listen to Jacob. Listen to Jacob. Oh. Okay, Jacob, you're first. Oh, you follow Jacob. You follow Jacob, ah. Aaron, you are the last. Abram, you're the middle. Go. Follow Jacob. Remind him. Remind him always to stay at the right side. O, tingnan mo. Hindi pa nga nakakalayo. Tigas talaga ng ulo yan. Nako. Mamumuti ang ko dito sa batang ko. Kanya-kanya kasi lang sa...
Hey, Mom, he almost crashed into me too, without warning.
Abram, I told you to follow Jacob and you went on the left. Ay, nako talaga.
I warned Alan that I'm overtaking him so he could go to Abram.
Kanya-kanya silang sumbong, oh.
You warned me, you were like this. I said I was overtaking.
Don't overtake kasi. Don't overtake. Oh, nado mo, nasa left na naman siya. Oh, ang kulit talaga nitong bata. Go. Don't chase him. Daddy first. Come back, listen to Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
Cars are always on the right. So you should go on the right.
Punta agad yan siya doon. Yan mo. Oh, diba? Diba? Kamote driver to eh. Oh. Kamote driver talaga to eh. Oh.
Marunong. Marunong yan pag siya lang sa kapon, na-observe ako dalawa. Alam niya, huminto dun sa ano ko.
Sa corner. Kasama ka kasi.
Hindi ko lang pag tinitignan ko siya.
Oh.
Tapos yung nagkapo lang kami. Ang bilis!
Tuwan-tuwa ka pa.
Kaya niya dun sa 9-bot kasi mag-aang siya eh. Nata-top speed niya agad. Ang top speed ng 30. Nahabol niya ako dun sa ano. Pag, akala ko mabilis na ako. Pag tingin ko, nasa likod ko na.
Tuwan-tuwa ka. Magkamali lang yun talaga.
Kasi nagbalit kami. Siya naman, hindi ko na mahabol. Ang layo-layo na.
Pagpasok sa akin kagabi, nagbibida eh. Nagabulan daw kayo eh. Change your helmet daw, Daddy said. Para feel na feel mo na talaga yung ano. Hey! Ano niyo?
I'll try it. The motor.
Yes! Yes! siya.
My dad, why don't you ever let us use that?
Because you don't use it.
But you never allow us. You.
Ba't parang maliit sa kanya? Para kanino ba yung ano kay Adam?
Si Adam yan eh.
Oh, ba't parang ang liit? Ilan taon si Adam nung ginamit niya yan?
Nung dumating dito.
Oh,
Ilan taon ba siya dumating dito?
mag-8. Mga singidad nila. Parang mas matangkad sila kay Adam, Dad. Nung dumating kami. Hindi matangkad na si Adam nun eh.
Matangkot ng tatlo.
Mas matangkad sino?
Malalakot ng tatlo.
Mataba si Adam dun pero ano. Ito, ang tangkad dito oh.
Ma.
So, and he's pogi. And this boy also is pogi.
I'm fat.
You are not fat. You are healthy, okay?
I'm fat.
You are not.
I'm fat.
Fat is not like that.
Yeah.
I'm obese.
You're not. You are healthy, but you're not fat. You are
Dad,
pogi.
what-
See?
what about
Oh,
Dad?
look, you smile at mommy. Oh, see? You're pogi.
How about dad?
Dad is healthy
Yeah.
also.
He's super healthy.
He's losing weight, right?
The blue.
He's already healthy.
Yeah. He's healthy now. He's losing weight.
So before, when you met him first,
Oh, when I met him, he's really good looking. He has a nice body. He is not like that when I met him. O na, go na. Oh, at magagagals pa talaga. Ayan, kanino naman yan? Sa'yo? Oh, ito din dalawa. Palabas na.
hey, good night. But can I just use it?
Ito,
Yeah.
Di talaga siya magpapatalo kay Abram eh. Nag-helmet si Abram ng maganda, mag-helmet din siya. Hindi pwedeng hindi.
May mapapatalo si Cain.
Sino si Cain?
Cain kay Abel.
Ano ginawa mo pang Cain at Abel yan? Aaron Abram yan. Sundan mo at sabihan mo sa kanya kung saan siya dapat mag-ano. Abram! Sino ko? Oh, tinataas pa yung isang pa. Kayabangan talaga. Oh. Oh. Oh, pag ganun pa siya. Manang-mana. Di ba proud na proud ka sa kayabangan ng anak mo? Manang-mana sa'yo. Asan isa? Ang iitim na ng mga yan. Ano pa talaga?
Yan tuloy mong pagagawin?
Saan galing yan? Hindi ko lang nakita yan.
2 taon na to. O 3 taon na.
Para sa taan talaga yan.
Bago. Ngayon pa lang ginamit. Ito sa umpisa. Sa ulo, sa
Saan mo galing yan?
binili ko sa Amazon.
Pwede yan sa ano ko? Para lalong kuminis.
Babuyan naman tayo dito eh.
Hindi ka- Susubukan ko nga lang kasi para lalong makinis yung sa akin.
Oo, pwede.
Pwede. Ikaw magtanggal. Ah,
Ganda. Kasi ang dami.
tagal na yan, di ba? Ay, kita ko
Tatlong
yun.
taon na to eh.
O, ba't ngayon mo
Ngayon ko
lang?
lang ginamit.
Saan nakatago yan?
Nangihinayang ako eh. Kasi ang ganda eh. Daming blade eh. 7. Meron pa na ito 9.
Para sa ano talaga yan?
Binili ko para sa ulo.
Oh.
Para ma-shave niya, mga kalbo niya talaga.
Dati yung ganda ng araw, gusto ko mag-inom. Mag-inom ako. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Oh. Mainit dyan eh. Dito maganda sa garahe oh. Mag-inom ako dito. Sumama mo ako. I-table kita. Ha? Ako lang mag-isa.
Sige.
Table kita. Sayawan mo ako ha.
Ikaw ang titable ko.
Ah, hindi ka umiinom. Yung umiinom yun, dapat ang nagtitable. Table kita.
Sige.
Pahanda mo akong pulutan. Luto na tayo ng dinner mga ate at kuya.
Punch yun.
Yung punch kuya da?
Yes.
Mga ate at kuya, alam mo ba? Kapag summer dito, usually, ako talaga kasi usually, gabi ako natutulog. Pero kung natutulog, syempre, gabi ka matutulog. Gabi ako naliligo. Pero ngayong summer, ay hindi po pwedeng gabi ka lang maniligo. Init. Bukas ba yung mga bintana? Mainit. So, ang ulam natin for today mga ate at kuya ay roast beef. Iro-roast lang natin. Kaya nga siya tinawag na roast beef kasi iro-roast siya. Ano ba? Kapag sa steak, ito ginagamit ko mga ate at kuya. If you're from here, gamitin nyo to. Masarap to. Tamang-tama na yung timplado na to. Saktong-sakto na. Yung mga anak ko, kapag ako makain kami sa labas at nag-i-steak kami, sinasabi nila mas masarap para yung steak na luto ko kesa dun sa sa ino-order nila. No-order namin. Mas gusto nila to. Ito. Ano yung partner natin dito, Dad?
Pasta.
Pasta?
With Alfredo sauce.
Pasta. Nagre-request nga si si J. Aaron.
Pasta rin ang pasta.
Ng Alfredo daw. Alfredo ang ni Aaron. Tapos, para medyo maalat-alat talaga na hinahaluan ko nito. Dakeg din. Pang pang ribs at saka pang chicken. Sarap siya.
Tapos after 15.
Lang natin siya. So, lagay lang muna natin yan siya. And then, wait natin. Manuot ba? Luto na ang ating roast beef. Ooh, sabi ko na well done eh. Daddy kasi ang kulit eh. Kanina ko pa sinasabi na patayin na eh. Yeah, well done na. Ayoko na well done ito eh. Ay, nakakainis si Daddy. Sarap pa rin naman. Sirloin lang ginagamit namin. Pag nagro-roast mo. Kahit yung mga anak ko ayaw nila ng well done. Pero sakto na to. Ito, medyo may pa. Sarap. Tapos, buto lang ako ng Alfredo. Pasta ang pa-partner namin. And then that's it.
Oh my God.
Oops. Kailangan party-partihin.
Can I have milk?
Milk agad.
Wow!
Dalawang papakain at hindi kumasya ang ating
Salamat po.
wash my hands.
Wow! Salamat
Baka
po.
hindi kumasya, magpasta muna tayo.
Yum.
Umalis kayo dyan.
Mom, can I have fries with steak?
Rice naman siya, ayaw magpasta
You eat pasta. It's
No,
good.
I don't like it.
Yun na naman siya This one is for Aaron.
I need a sausage. No steak po. I need a ketchup.
Just
Pasta.
What do you mean? Ikaw nagpaluto nito eh. Anong just pasta? Para ka nagrarasyon.
What is it? What?
Nagrarasyon tayo.
I'm not rationing. That was the red one. Mom, what were you saying?
Ration.
Mom, I ate the spicy chicken earlier and my stomach doesn't feel well.
Oh,
Like this spicy chicken. I ate one and my stomach feels
down.
well.
That's for you.
Gotta poop.
Ano ba yan?
Can I have steak?
Kakain na.
Mommy, I wanna have steak.
You have to eat, pasta. You have to try this one. Papilitin mo din para masubukan niya to. Hindi niya parang susubukan tong
I'll
Alberto.
shoot you.
You want
Daddy,
to
oh.
spoon that?
I'm shooting you.
You want to spoon that? Gorda? Apollo? I eat that.
Hindi niya pa natatry tong Alfredo eh.
Can I have steak?
Yes. You can have steak.
Mommy, just wanna have the red one, the ketchup.
Gusto niya yung ketchup na ano. Ayaw niya na.
narrow
one.
sauce one.
Try that one first. Oh, inamoy na.
Oh, bibigyan naman
Can
ako
I,
kasi
and I have four.
I will cut this
Ako
one.
na.
Mom, if that guy cut this?
In 80.
Pasubukan mo.
I wanna taste
Kasi
it.
minsan, ayaw
I
niya
wanna
kasi,
taste
Right,
the steak.
ayaw niya kasi kainin minsan ni
I wanna
pagkain
taste
kasi hindi
the
niya pala
steak.
titikman. Pero
Go
pag
get
natikman
it.
niya na.
Mom, Abram judges new food by smell.
Yeah. It judges his food.
Sure. And if it smells bad, he doesn't even take a bite.
Mm.
Mom, I have more friends.
Just try the pasta. Dati pilitin mo ang try yung pasta.
Eat the pasta. Or call police.
Just one.
Yeah.
Or you call the police.
Okay, okay.
I'll try to eat it.
Is it good?
O, bubulunan ka! O, kuya.
Okay, cut mine.
How is it?
And you cut mine.
Kaya bien mo?
Which one?
Oh, and this one.
Zero bit.
Because this one is super big.
Thank you.
I can have milk.
Wait lang. Daddy milk daw.
Dad, I want to have chocolate milk.
Ate mo, nagustuhan daddy, oh.
I just want to have chocolate milk.
Mm.
Okay, can you stop copying?
Can you please stop copying him? Matatawa ka na namang loser niya. Sige. Ang sarap. Ako muna eh. Tingnan mo kung tapos yung ano na. Dalawang pirasong steak lang? Kawawa ka naman.
Ubusin yung Jacob.
This is mine. So, kain lang muna kami mga ate at kuya. So, this is it for today. Hanggang sa muli mga ate at kuya. Don't forget to like and subscribe mga ate at kuya. At huwag mo kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga postings ko. So, ayan, hanggang sa muli. Bye!